Hi everyone! In this video we will multiply square roots. Multiply 12 times the square root of 99d to the 8th times 5 square roots of 24d to the 4th. The first thing I would do is find any perfect squares inside the radicals so we can simplify them first before we multiply. So on the first one we have 12 and 99 is 9 times 11. So we can break that into the square root of 9 times the square root of 11. And the square root of d to the 8th is already a perfect square, so we don't need to break that apart any. 5 remains on the outside. 24 is 4 times 6, so we get the square root of 4 times the square root of 6. And then we have the square root of d to the 4th, which is a perfect square, so we'll go ahead and leave it like that. Now let's evaluate all of our square roots that simplify. The square root of 9 is 3, so we get 12 times 3. The square root of 11 does not simplify, so it remains. But the square root of d to the 8th simplifies to be d to the 4th. And the other one, we have the square root of 4, which simplifies to 2. So we have 5 times 2. The square root of 6 does not simplify, so it remains in the radical. And then we have d to the 4th. The square root of that is d squared. Now we can simplify by multiplying those together. 12 times 3 is 36, d to the 4th square root of 11. The other one, 5 times 2 is 10, d squared square root of 6. Now that we've simplified this as much as we can go ahead and multiply. 36 times 10 is 360. D to the 4th times d squared gives us 6d, so we get d to the 6th. And then we have the square root of 11 times the square root of 6. Because they're both under the radical, we can multiply those and keep them under the radical, making this the square root of 66. We've now simplified our multiplication of square roots, and we're all done.